Hey guys, this is Levi here from Primo Dynamics, and today I'm going to be describing about the items we offer on our website here. So as you can see here, this is a stock headlight, and this is it after we customize it. So as you can see here, this comes flat black, not painted, and it'll come with the orange reflectors on the side. And then as you can see here, this is color match, this is gloss black. So even the orange reflector on the side is painted, as most customers want it. We can do that, no problem. Now the second item I'd like to discuss, guys, is our projector etching. So as you can see here, this customer wanted Duramax etched onto his headlights. So etching does actually not affect your lighting at all when you're driving at night. Now etching, we can do any lettering, any design, or any logo you wish. Just send us an email after your order of what you would like done, and we can get that done for you. And the third item we'd like to discuss is our Demon Eye. So Demon Eye is actually a multicolored light inside the low beam, and it does not affect your actual low beam bulb. It's multicolored, and you can choose any color you want, and it's all on handheld remote or on Bluetooth controller. So with the Bluetooth controller, you can operate through your phone, or you can just do a simple handheld and change colors to there. You can pick any colors you want and leave it on, such as like, hey, I want it red. You can leave it on red all day if you wish. And the next item I'd like to talk about is the pod in the high beam. So as you can see here, this customer wanted a pod in the high beam here. It's all plug and play, so it'll still work with your high beams. And we customize it to be white as the customer requested. If you don't choose, you have a pod in the high beam, it'll come with the regular high beam. This one's a reflector, so as you can see. So the next item I want to discuss is our C-bars, also known as our tubing. So our tubing has three different options. They come with white LEDs, RGB LEDs, or RGB chasing and amber switchback. So the white is only white and it's just a DR out, and that's all it is. The second option is our RGB. So RGB can change to any solid color you want, red, blue, green, any color you can think about, but it does not have any special chasing patterns. And our chasing patterns, just like this, as you can see, there's 200 different sequential patterns that you can choose from. They're pretty cool if you ask me. And they also come with the option of amber sequential switchback. So when you hit your turn signal, they will start flashing to your turn signal. And as soon as you turn your turn signal off, it'll go straight back to the color you had them on. Next we have is our halo ring. So halo rings are different from demon eyes. Demon eyes go inside the projector, and halo rings usually go on the outside of the projector. Sometimes it go on the outside of the entire housing, but most of the time it's around the projector. So as you can see here, this one has a circle halo ring and a C-bar halo ring. Now, they're different for every single vehicle. They come in different sizes and shapes. This is a Dodge Ram 2009 all the way up to 2018. So this is specifically made for this style. So our halo rings come with RGB, chasing, and amber switchback. Comes with all three of those options. So you can choose from any solid color you want. And of course you can leave it on any solid color you wish. And also over 200 chasing patterns. And also amber sequential switchback. So I'll show you guys real quick. As soon as you hit your turn signals, you'll see it flash and it'll go straight back to the color that you had it on.